What are you doing, Phil?
Well, time to uncrate these Dana 60s. Oh, that's exciting. Wow. And there's the old one. It fits on one pallet. Drive shaft. Axle. The old ultimate Dana 6060 combo.
42 different camera angles, big old production. All right, lights, 42. Camera, action, go. Oh wait, a little slower. No, I'm just kidding.
Beautiful. Shoot that in 120. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. That's big. Is this gonna fit? Dude. The worn hubs. They're so pretty. I mean, these Ram 3500 equivalent brakes. Huge 8-lug.
Dude, those are massive, bro.
These are insane. Insane. So these are 8-lugs, so we had to get new wheels. So we've got trail-ready bead locks on the way. So stoked to be running American-made, super beefy bead locks. And then these worn hubs will be poking out of them. Oh man, this is crazy. Look at that, I wonder what that does. Kevin will figure it all out. So we got the tires mounted, and then we're gonna roll it that way. Oh, the Steer Smarts tie rod. So for the 60 swap, you do the JK tie rod, apparently.
Brother, cardboard.
Yes. Yeah, wow. Laser cut CNC machine cardboard. This stuff is seriously packed very well. Love it. And I love that. Made in America. Also excited to be having these end links in here. These end links are super beefy. Hit record and he started that thing.
Okay, now come this way. Nice steering right here.
This is so weird. This just doesn't feel natural. We're doing trail ready bead locks and 40-inch Nitto trail grapplers, but they're not in yet. So Kevin lent me these. Ooh, got some ARB air locker parts. So we had the option of doing Eaton E-lockers or ARB air lockers, and Kevin always makes things super simple. So I asked him, hey, what do we do? E-lockers or air lockers? He said E-lockers are gonna be easier to install. Air lockers are gonna be stronger and more reliable. So to me, that's a no-brainer. Let's get this set up to be more durable and stronger. Got to show you this piece too. You guys remember when Kevin let me borrow this thing for a little joyride for the day? Well, if you didn't see that video, you got to check it out because that was super fun.
Took a good old-fashioned stoning.
But it's got LS3 power plant in there, some King coilovers, and of course, got to be running the best axles. The 60s, baby. These things have seen some use, that's for sure. And then we're also doing Genrite aluminum fenders like Kevin. Love the look of the aluminum fenders. They're so sick.
Yep, perfect.
Alrighty. Popping it all into place. Just a couple little doodads. Screws, nuts, and it's done. Got the steer smart down here at the garage shop. Beef. Are these the extra beef or triple beef? Double patties?
I don't know.
Triple. Yeah. American cheese and supersized fry, please. Warren 35 spine hubs, and I'll take some SPL 70 U-joints as well. Anything else, sir? Will that complete your order? Actually, give me some 1350 strap style half round end yokes and Ram 3500 brakes as well, please. Okay. Yeah, please pull forward. Yeah, darling, steer it up. Damn, that is big, dude. She's wide. Oh, it's setting down. Oh my gosh, this is like what it's gonna look like, kinda. Holy cow, that's insane. Oh my goodness. That is just savage. I don't even know. I don't know. I don't know if I can handle it. I might have to step up my game. No bed, rear sway bar hanging down. 37's in the rear. Oh yeah, you guys recognize the wheels? Look at that. So yeah, those were on Kevin's JK before this. LS JK. No big hairy freaking deal. So soon we'll have this tire size, button it our trail grapplers. Time to get that rear axle out. I mean, it's been a solid 9,000-10,000 miles on that rear axle since we replaced the other rear axle. What do you say? We should probably put a new one in, huh, Kevin?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's still got Loctite marks, solid. Barely got dirt on it. Don't hit your head on the way out.
Really? Hey, come here.
Drive shaft really does look puny up there. It's so skinny. Oh yeah, nice. Boom.
Watch out, boys. Got my shaft.
Oh! I got the shaft at Nichols Auto Fab. That needs to be a shirt. So, well, puny, not as puny. So this is the stock. Got a CV joint on the end here. The Dana Spicer U-joint in there. So that's nice.
Would you just stay in your godforsaken home?
Go to your home!
Are you too good for your home?
Go to your home! That's Jack Black that says that, isn't it?
No, that's Adam Sandler.
Oh yeah. Duh.
That golfing one.
Oh yeah, big
Happy
big
Gilmore.
Yes, Happy Gilmore.
Go, man.
Wow, more carnage. I bent this. This is where the bump stop connects with the axle. Well, it would make sense. So the sway bar was connected here and the end link ripped out of this side. So it threw all that weight, bumped hard, just boom, right into that axle and actually bottomed this all out and bent that. Holy cow, I need hydro bumps in the rear. Got them in the front, but I need them in the rear. Also, probably just gonna slow down a little bit. I don't know. I mean, I am down off. Gets me in trouble.
Oh, I lost my nut.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna need an extra one. Look at that. Billet aluminum spacer. I want spicer spacers for all my spacers. Spice things up a bit.
Can you push that down just a hair?
Yeah, this guy here, down
The
a,
other one. Around the front. With the black nut? Yep.
down a hair. Okay. Good? Sweet. That was fun. I've never run the jack before. No big deal. Pushed it. Solid. Half an inch. We'll do more next time.
We'll bring your big ass bolt back. What's that
Am
for?
I man enough for this? I don't even know.
What's that for?
This thing's a monster now. Ooh, that Hellwig sway bar. But yeah, I ripped the sway bar end link. Jeez, Kevin, I'm filming. Can I get a minute? Come on. Anyways, I ripped the sway bar end link out in fairways, like you guys know. And yeah, Hellwig, I talked to Mike and Hellwig and they designed some brackets. Now the rear sway bar for the Gladiator is gonna come with these brackets so that you don't rip it out. You're welcome for the Down to Mob R&D. No big deal, no big deal. It was fun. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the track bar. Oh, that's the bolt. So we got all the links, all the bolts out. This thing's ready to come out. So wait, we're gonna roll it out? Wow. Oh yeah. It's all dropping out. Oh shit, look at that. Woo! Woo! Hey, it's a party. Wow. Here, I'll go to this side.
Stuck on the bumper.
Uh-oh, we gotta lift it a little. Wow. So yeah, up for sale. Very lightly used, chain of 44.
Geared 513.
Man, I didn't even get to scrape this thing across many rocks. Maybe a little, but barely. Oh, that's exciting. Wow. And there's the old one. It fits on one pallet. Pop. Rigging it up. Jeez, it's kind of weird that we needed this similar strap to like recover the Jeep and make the axle flat again. And now we're using the same strap to install the brand new axles. Me and these straps have a
Love-hate relationship,
a
man.
history. Come on! Bodies.
Gotta get the
That's
direction
right.
the right way, and you'll go that.
So crazy how little space there is in the caliper. Big brakes. About as big as you'll get. About as big as will fit.
We're gonna clear the bumper.
Yeah, looks like it. Can't wait to get that Bison Overland camper on here. No more bed going back on. So that's fun. These Dana 60s will never see a real truck bed. You're Overland axles now. Two.
Grab that hammer and try and smack that bolt through. This one here?
Smack that all on the floor. Smack that Dana 60 like that. I want some more. Smack that. Ooh. Well, thank you guys so much for watching the Dana's Ultimate 60 axle install. I'm so excited and honored to have the support of Dana Spicer. And thank you again to Kevin at Nichols Auto Fab, Brad and Mike for hanging out at the shop and helping out. Can't wait to share more updates as we get the frame all prepped for the Bison Overland camper. Check out my Patreon for behind the scenes and comment, let me know what you think. We'll see you next time. The only question is, are you down to mob?